Hello everyone, you are watching Naresh IAS Academy YouTube channel and I am working on Rajasthan art and culture in English medium only. In Hindi medium, I have already discussed the entire Rajasthan GK and GS on the YouTube channel. You may also contact for the notes for English and Hindi medium, and we are providing offline classes for RAS or IAS mains exam. So you may contact for this, and this is the next topic. Rajasthani language and its dialect. First of all, I will discuss their development and the evolvement and important features and relations between the Rajasthani language and its various dialects. Then Rajasthani language, and its dialect. First of all, development. Second, script. And third, various dialects. And through the Rajasthani map, we can make our description the more scientific. First of all, how the Rajasthani language evolved and what is its developmental history. And there are so many views about the development of the Rajasthani language, but one of the more common aspect is, first of all, the evidence about the Rajasthani language we found from the 8th century text Kublai Mala, written by the Uddhotan Suri. And in this text, Uddhotan Suri have mentioned the Rajasthani language as the Maru Bhasha. And second evidence given by the Italian historian or scholar L.P. Tessitori. Then L.P. Tessitori have the important research work on the Rajasthani language and culture, and he has mentioned the Rajasthani language developed around the 12th century, and most of Rajasthani historians also have agree with the L.P. Tessitori. The Rajasthani language mainly considered during the 11th to 13th century. And the third aspect is from which language or region Rajasthani language have evolved and developed. And it is known there was a Gurjar Saurseni language. Saurseni Gurjar is the parent language from which Rajasthani language have derived. So Saurseni is the mother of Rajasthani language. And during the Mughal Emperor Akbar, his courtier was the Abul Fazl, who wrote the Akbarnama, and who have mentioned Rajasthani language as the Marwadi language. तो मारवाड़ी लैंग्वेज फर्स्ट made by the Abul Fazl during the 16th century, you know, the reigning period of the Mughal Emperor Akbar. And next fact, in the modern time, this was the British scholar George Abraham Grierson in 1912 who wrote a text, Linguistic Survey of India, and in this who have first mentioned the term Rajasthani. The term Rajasthani first used by the Grierson for the language of Rajasthan, and since then the term Rajasthani is using for the language. So the Grierson have made the important work for the Rajasthani language. Next is it is also known as Rajasthani language became independent language about the 17th century. It have evolved during the 11th to 13th century, but it was the under influence of the various languages like the Saurasini impact and Gujarati language impact. But since the 17th century, Rajasthani became the independent. So these are some important facts about the development of Rajasthani language. Now, what is the script of Rajasthani language? There is no particular script of Rajasthani language because the Rajasthani language have its geographical expansion in Marwadi region, Mewadi, Sekawati, Hadoti and Dundadi. So there is no fix or the one script, but it is known as the Mudia script. Mudia script, which was used for the commercial purpose by the business classes, and sometimes it is called, it is the corrupt forms of the Rajasthani script. And the Mudia script and its symbols and words are invented by the Todarmal. Todarmal was the finance minister of Mughal Emperor Akbar, and first time who have mentioned the Rajasthani business class during the 16th century used to the Mudia script for the Rajasthani language, and mainly it was written from right to left side. And you must know the Indian constitution provide the 12th schedule, and 8th schedule deals with the official language, and in the 8th schedule Rajasthani have not mentioned because there is no particular language of the Rajasthan. And next is, there are the so many dialects of the Rajasthan. So many dialects, and they are classified according to the geographical region of the Rajasthan, and the principal dialects is the Marwadi, also called the language, and that time the Marwar region includes the Bikaner and the Jodhpur, Jaisalmer, some part of the Badmer, Jalore and the Sirohi, and some part of the Nagaur. So this was the Marwar principal states or the principality that time. Marwadi language have so many dialects or the sub-dialects. One is the Sekawati. Sekawati is a geographical or cultural region of Rajasthan which includes Churu, Sikar, Jhunjhunu and some part of the Nagaur. So Sekawati I am writing with the term S. This was the sub-dialect of the Marwadi, and this is the Bikaner region where the Bikaneri language was spoken, and Bikaneri was also the sub-dialects of the Marwadi, and this is the geographical boundary of the Nagaur district, and the Nagauri was also the sub-dialect of Marwadi, and this is the geographical boundary of the Jalore district, and where this was the Godwadi. The Godwadi script was used, and Godwadi language and script was the sub-dialect of the Marwadi, and this was the Sirohi district. Sirohi district was the neighboring to the Jalore, and where the Devda Padi, the Devda Padi dialect was spoken, and it was the Marwadi sub-dialect. And also Thatki and Thali were used in the Bikaner region, and this was the Marwar, now called the Jodhpur. And it is also known as the Mewar region that time, and now the Mewar is called the Udaipur district, and the Mewari language also known as the sub-dialects of the Marwadi, and the Dhundhadi region includes the Jaipur, some part of the Tonk, and the Dausa district, and some regions of the Ajmer, and mainly the Dhundhad region becomes after the Dhund river, which flows in the ancient time. And Dhundhadi language is also considered the sub-dialects of the Marwadi. So the Marwadi is considered the principal language of the Rajasthan. However, officially it have not declared yet. And now the Dhundhadi language, in the Jaipur or the surrounding areas, it has so many sub-dialects. In the northern part of the Jaipur, including the some geographical region of the Shekhawati region, Churu, Sikar, Junjunu, and it is the sub-dialect of the Dhundhadi, and which is called the Toravati. The Toravati I am writing with the T. The Toravati sub-dialect in the northern part of Jaipur and the some regions of the Shekhawati. And the south part of the Jaipur, where the Kathedi, I am writing Kathedi with the term K. Kathedi was spoken in the south Jaipur, and near the Jaipur, this is the geographical boundary of the Tonk district, and in the southwest Jaipur, or we can say the western Tonk, where the dialect was prevailing, and which is called the Chaurasi, or I am writing Chaurasi with the term C. The Chaurasi, you can see, this is the southwest region or the western part of the Tonk. And in the eastern Jaipur, it was the Rajabati, or I am writing Rajabati with the term R. The Toravati in the northern Jaipur, Kathedi in the south Jaipur, Rajabati in the eastern Jaipur, and Chaurasi in the southwest Jaipur. And in the Sabai Madhopur region, this was the dialect called the Nagar Chol, or I am writing Nagar Chol with the N. So these are the sub-dialects of the Dhundhadi language. And this is the Hadoti region, and along with the Malwa Plateau, and this is the Malwa Plateau, mostly covers the geographical region of Madhya Pradesh. But the ancient time, this region was also the part of the Madhya Pradesh. After the reorganization of Rajasthan, it was included in the Rajasthan. So Jhalabad, Kota, Bundi, Bara geographically are called the or are under the influence of the Malwa Plateau. So in this region there was a dialect prevailed called the Malvi. The Malvi dialect was in this region, and Nimadi I am writing with the N. Nimadi was the sub-dialect or the assistant dialect of the Malvi. With the influence of Marwadi, the Marwadi and Malvi jointly created the new dialect in the South Rajasthan or the Southeast Rajasthan, which is called the Ragdi. Ragdi I am writing with the term R. So Ragdi is a fusion or mixture of Marwadi and the Malvi, right? And the Albar district and the most of part of the Albar district is known as the Mewat region due to the Muslim caste, the Mew, and where the Mewati language is spoken, and it is the independent dialect or language of the Mew region, the Mewati. And also the surrounding area of Albar, Jaipur, and this is the Haryana and the Delhi region. So this belt is called the Ahir-Vati region due to the Abhir caste in the ancient time. So there was a Abhir tribes. They ruled from this territory, and this region was called the Ahir-Vati, and through which a dialect was evolved there, and which is called the Ahir-Vati, also the Hirvati and Hirval, and it is mainly used in this belt, and most of Rajasthani part is also the becomes the part of the Ahir-Vati region. Okay, then these are the important dialects. And in the South Rajasthan, this is the geographical boundary of the Banswara or the Dungarpur district, and the dialects of South Rajasthan is called the Bagri, Vagri, not Bagdi, B for boy. Bagdi is the dialect of the Shekhawati region. This is the Bagri. And George Abraham Grierson, a British scholar who first used the Rajasthani term for the Rajasthani language, who have also commented about the Bagri language. It was the language or dialect spoken or used by the Bhil tribes in Banswara and the Dungarpur region. So now the Bhil, which is called the Bhili dialect, is the subsidiary or assistant dialect of the Bagri, and that's why this region is also called the Bagal region, the southmost part of the Rajasthan. So then this is the geographical division or explanation of Rajasthani language and related dialect. So you can learn easily, and this is the simplest way of understanding the topic. Okay, thank you.